Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in National Bank of Oman mobile banking create account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into National Bank of Oman, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in National Bank of Oman, and once search results load, simply tap on the first name that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the home screen of the NBO, what you need to do is select internet banking. Then once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to log into your internet banking. All you gotta do is log in with your login ID and then enter in your password, then simply tap on login. Then once you're inside, NBO will send a one-time password to a registered mobile number. Simply enter the OTP correctly and your NBO online banking dashboard will open, and you can now check balance, transfer money, pay bills, manage cards, and view mini and full statements. In order to create a National Bank of Oman Bank online banking account, what you need to do is simply tap on register now. Then you must have your NBO debit or ATM card, your card PIN, civil ID or registered card, and your registered mobile number. Then next is you will be asked to enter ATM or debit card number, card PIN, civil ID number or account number if requested. All you gotta do is tap on proceed. Then once that's done, what you need to do is enter in your registration card number, then fill in the captcha and tap on next. You'll be prompted to enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number and follow the on-screen prompts. Then once done, what you need to do is verify the OTP that is sent by NBO, and then once OTP has been verified, you need to create your login credentials like your username, security, questions, and your password, and then simply confirm your details and submit, and your NBO online banking account is successfully created. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.